We haven't done a lot of wreath hooks, wreath hangers, but I love these. You're going to get one of each, and it's going to be a white base on the wreath hanger with that old-fashioned red truck and the Christmas tree in the back on one, and then a red Volkswagen Bug with the Christmas tree coming out of it and the holly in the front on the other. Aren't they adorable? So you're going to get one of each. These are perfect for really making your Christmas wreaths even better. I love these because I love hanging wreaths on doors inside and out. You can hang these over a mirror as well. There's just so many different ways that you can use them, and they are that nostalgic, wonderful, vintage feel that just adds to your warm, wonderful Christmas.